More help is coming in the form of rapid test kits. Christian HAUSER is in Norwood with how much quicker the tests will be and why it's so important for not only patients but healthcare workers. Christian.
Well, that's right, Paula. Starting tomorrow, TriHealth will be able to offer patients a 30-minute coronavirus test. Now, not only does that take away a day or more of anxious waiting by the patient, it gives the doctors and nurses treating that person an almost instant notification of whether or not they're dealing with someone with COVID-19 and if they need to use the increased protection. The test is the same nose swab you've been hearing about.
Our test has a runtime of 30 minutes, and if you add 15 minutes before and after for setup and result, we're telling our physicians that we can have a test result out in 1 hour.
Most places are still taking a day or more to get results, so that quick turnaround time is huge, not only for the patient to know, but for doctors and nurses as well.
It's tremendous because now we can tell physicians and nurses whether or not their patients are positive or negative. And frankly, in this scenario, knowing a negative result is even more important because we can save the precious resources that are the PPE.
Like the other tests, though, the kit supplies are still very limited. The shortened response time is coming as Ohio approaches the expected surge in patients.
It's a huge relief for us. It's been a trying time these last couple weeks. Having this at our fingertips now, and we're at the cliff here. We're about to take the big leap into providing this turnaround time. It's going to be amazing.
Wright thinks the supply companies could catch up by June. That would allow every patient to be tested for the virus, not just those most likely to have it. Now, it still will require a physician to get a test done here. You can't just come up and take that. I also reached out to the other major health systems in the area to ask them when or if they've already started using this rapid response test. None of them have gotten back to me so far, other than UC Health, which says that its tests take a day or less. Live in Norwood, Christian HAUSER, Local 12 News.
All right, thank you, Christian. And there's also a blood test being developed that would get even quicker results. It hasn't been approved for use yet, but it could also tell you if you've had the virus and recovered.